Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the crucial thing, the most important thing in this whole operation, the internet connection. And to be honest, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, but it's of course up to you. And then enter the Play Store. If you've got your Google account added, you will have to just follow my steps. If not, you will have to either log in or sign in to be able to use the Google Play Store. So after that, of course, if you don't know how to do it, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So you can check it. After logging, simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to enter Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and all we have to do right now is to tap on Updates Available, so we can check which updates can be downloaded. If you want to, you can mark all of them, it's up to you. If not, you can choose one or two different apps. So I will pick Google Chrome, I want to update it, and for example, Google Meet. So after marking the apps you want to update, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully and automatically installed. So basically right now you do not have to do anything, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait in this section, you can just turn it off and do whatever you want on your device. Simply wait. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.